I have had a request for a Selenite stick wire wrap. Selenite can be quite fragile to work with, so I will be using what I refer to as a box wrap. This is simply a wrap where I create a container for the stone to sit in, rather than wrapping straight onto the stone. This helps to reduce the chance of damaging the stone. There are various different ways that I use to make this wrap. For this tutorial I will be using a quick and easy freeform method. If you wish to make your frame more uniform, you can use bail making pliers, or you can go more freestyle like I will be doing in this video. I am starting by marking out on a piece of paper a guide for the size of my box. The size should be slightly bigger than the depth of the stone and the length of the 2 long sides plus 1 short side. I am using 0.9mm copper wire. You can use either soft or half hard. Half hard is a little harder to work with when forming your design, and soft wire will need to be work hardened, so it will down to personal choice. I am bending the wire into a freestyle design that fits my paper guide. This will create the sides of the box. Leave about 2 inches of excess wire on one end and about 4 inches on the other end. The length of the wire will depend on the size of your stones and the design. I am using soft wire, so I will be work hardening my design using a rubber block and my little jeweler's hammer. If you are using half hard, this step is not necessary. Your design may have stretched out during the hardening process, so check and adjust it using your paper guide. I am now shaping my box sides to fit the stone. Bend the excess wires outwards where they meet in the middle and use thin wire to wrap them together. Check the fit of the stone and bend the wires up and back to secure the bottom of the stone. Check the fit again and use thin wires to attach the curve of the wire to the frame on both sides. I will now be adding another piece of 0.9mm wire. This piece is approximately 5 inches. Weave the new piece to the longest of the two wires using thin weaving wire. I am using 0.2mm, but you can use slightly thicker if it is more comfortable for you. Leave a small amount of excess wire at the end of the new piece. Wrap twice around one wire, twice around both wires and repeat. Where the wires meet the box sides, attach them with the weaving wire. Gently bend the wires towards the other side and continue wrapping. When you reach the top corner, attach to the frame using the weaving wire. The excess wire at the bottom will be bent and attached to the frame, trimming any excess. Use round nose pliers to curl the end of the wire. Continue to weave the wires together. After about an inch of weaving, bend the wires towards the other side of the pendant and attach to the opposite corner. Continue the weave, attaching to the frame when they meet and bending the wires in the other direction. Before meeting the other side, I am separating the lower wire and wrapping the other wire separately, attaching it to the frame and bending back the other direction. Continue wrapping the single wire until it meets the bottom wire, where they will be wrapped together briefly. Trim any excess from the bottom wire and curl the end. Continue wrapping the single wire, attaching to the frame when they meet. Trim and curl both of the remaining wire ends. Thank you for watching. Please join me for my next tutorial.